Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can buy one of these at a low cost. Get it fast and free shipped to you. Here we go. We're going to see what's inside. And oh boy, jackpot. Here we go. I'm sure somebody might need one of these. Great Father's Day gifts. This is coming from Victoria Allen's coffee. Oh, I had this before. Seattle Dark. This stuff's really good. I'm not going to do a video. I'm just going to show you what the cups look like. 42 cups. Dark roast. One of the darkest roasts with smokiness and deep lingering richness. Dark but never bitter. Yeah, this stuff's really good, guys. You'll definitely enjoy it. Great for a morning pickup. I forgot how to open these. On top. And this is what they look like. But yeah, definitely check them out, guys. Here's the little cup guy. Seattle Dark. It started a thunderstorm outside. We got nasty tornado warnings. Getting a little dark out there. We just had a nasty rainfall, but one of those days, you know. Brew some Kcups right here. Try something different. 100% Arabica coffee. So there you go. Kcups from Victor Allen's Coffee. Real nice. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Link will be down below. They got sales going on all weekend with the Father's Day, so definitely see what other flavors they have. But this is a good one. You guys got to try this kind. Something you'll enjoy. Like I said, nice morning. This will keep you going. So, 1 or 2 cups, you're good to go. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.